Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jordan and I post motherhood lifestyle videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. This video today is a collab with Mo. She posts awesome videos on her channel. She is super sweet and I'm just so excited to share this collab with you guys. Today I'm going to be going over a few tips for planner beginners. New year, new you. Let's get into it. Tip number one is to find a planner layout that works for you. There's bullet journals, there's horizontal layouts, there's vertical layouts, there's so much stuff. I personally like the Happy Planner. So this is the layout of the My Happy Planner. As you can see, it goes down by days, so this is a vertical layout. I love this planner and I highly recommend it. I've tried the Erin Condren before and this is pretty comparable to it. I like that you can take the pages out. If you don't like writing, like if you're writing on this side and you don't like writing on the rings, you can always take the page out, and I love that. So that is tip number one, is to find a planner layout that works for you. It's gonna take a while for you to find your planner style, so that leads me to my next tip, is to follow Instagram and follow Pinterest and see what other people are doing with their planners. See their other spreads. Some good hashtags are the Happy Planner, planner spread, before the pen. Some ways to use your planner are to meal plan. You could do your cleaning schedule in there, obviously appointments and whatnot, also water intake, exercise routines, any. My next tip is that you don't need a lot of supplies. When I started out, I used I used a pack of Crayola markers and a pen, and I had a Tombow marker laying around. This is an awesome pen. It's got a brush head and a flat point, and you can do like a whole bunch of letterings with it. So that's what I started out with when I started planning. So my next tip is to not buy all the stickers and washi. First of all, you don't really know your planner style, you don't know how you want to plan, and you don't know how you want to do your layout. So you may want more decorative stickers rather than useful stickers, or you might want more useful stickers rather than decorative. You don't really want to be bringing in a lot of clutter if you're not going to use it, and you don't want to really waste money because the whole point of planning is to be more organized. Also, you don't want to plan more than 2 weeks in advance. So if you're planning more than 2 weeks in advance, you're going to want to use sticky notes because plans sometimes do change. Which leads me to my next point, is that sticky notes are your best friend. You are going to want to put sticky notes everywhere, because if something were to change, then you have to scribble out or cover up, and it might not look that good. That's all my tips today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to go check out Mo's channel. If you guys like the video, please leave us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today. I hope you guys have a great day.